Today is bad day
Why?
because Jagannath has to go back and he cannot enter.
Right.
Lakshmi very angry. Yes. He went to Vrindavan. Why he's going there? Lakshmi cannot understand. I have everything. Jewels, gold, so many beautiful dresses. What is there in Vrindavan? Why he's going there? Whole year he's crying. In the night he's calling out the gopis,
Right.
Radharani especially. Even his cows he's calling.
Right.
And he's crying. She cannot understand. When he becomes sick, then anyhow he wants a little bit fresh air. So she allows him with brother and sister.
Right.
But she has no idea where he's going. After 5 days he becomes very upset, angry.
Right.
Man.
Man Abhiman.
Yes. But this man we have never seen before. When lady as man, especially queen, she put off all her dresses and he put all dress. But she put on very nice dresses. And she becomes very angry, beating
Right.
Jagannath's servants.
Right.
Yeah. Then he has to promise, I will come back tomorrow. But still he is not coming.
Yeah.
Now he's a little bit behind. He's not ready to go. But
Actually,
very soon he will bring some rasagula and sari, and then maybe 2-3 days he can go inside. Yeah.
Right.
After 1 year again he will go.
Right.
This is his pastime. Meeting and separation from Brajabasis. Because no one loves Krishna like Brajabasis. In Vrindavan, Krishna is under the control of his devotees.
Right.
All the devotees, they are telling Krishna is mine. In Mandir here, Kurukshetra, Dwarka, they are telling we are yours, Krishna. But Krishna is not like that.
Right.
He wants to be controlled by the love, and he wants to forget that he is God. He wants to be like a small teenage boy, going with cows, playing all day, no any responsibilities,
Right.
carefree. Especially he wants to be with Radharani because they are Shaktiman.
Right.
Krishna is the Purusha and Srimati Radhika is providing the Ananda, especially Parama Ananda,
Dharma.
Pararasa, Parakiya Rasa.
Right.
So-
near about 4 decades you stay in India
Yes,
and you come here every year in Puri also.
no, sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay.
Yes.
There's any reason behind your visit? Why you come here?
Yes.
There is a supreme power of.
Because Mahaprabhu, he disclosed some very deep secrets. Yeah. 500 years ago, he took over all the management for Rath Yatra. And Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur, he arranged for the services, everything. Now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is himself Krishna in the mood of Radharani. So he is very happy going back to Gundicha, to Vrindavan.